Welcome back to your favorite cooking channel, Ding Ding Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes,美極醬龍蝦, also known as lobster with Maggi sauce. Let's get started. Start by preparing the sauce. We'll need chicken bouillon, sugar, dark soy sauce, Maggi sauce, water, a dash of white pepper, and sesame oil. Mix well. Now we can chop the shallots, mince the garlic, and cut the green onions. Now, when I bought it from the supermarket, it was alive and moving. But when I got home, Larry was not moving anymore.
Oh well.
So, right now we're gonna give it a wash and then we're gonna cut it up into pieces. The important thing is to clean the lobster thoroughly by removing the intestinal tract, stomach, and gills. I've provided a link in the description below for more detailed instructions on how to properly kill and clean a lobster. Because the shell is curved, it's sometimes hard to split with a knife. Having scissors certainly helps. Now we can lightly coat each piece with some cornstarch. Then immediately deep fry. When using a wok, you don't need to use that much oil. Just make sure to flip each piece so that it cooks through. Remember, lobster is like shrimp, it cooks very fast. This lobster recipe is 15 times better than the ones you can find in the restaurant.
係咪真㗎?
For the larger pieces like the head and claws, we can deep fry for a bit longer. We want to ensure that it's fully cooked. Now we can use some of the oil from before and saute the shallots. Add the garlic. Looks like we need a little bit more oil. Now we can quickly add the sauce. Because the sauce has sugar, when combined with high heat, it will thicken very fast. Once you see the sauce is ready, add the cooked lobster and toss. Don't leave it in the wok for too long as the dark soy sauce will burn. Once plated, we can add the scallions. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.